Want to use two apps at the same time on your Samsung Galaxy S26? In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use split screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. Step 1. Open the Recent Apps screen. First, open any app on your phone. Then tap the Recent Apps button to see all your running apps. Step 2. Activate split screen. Find the app you want to use in split screen. Tap the app icon at the top of the app preview. From the menu that appears, tap Open in split screen view. Step 3. Choose the second app. Now the first app will move to the top half of the screen. At the bottom, you'll see your recent apps list. Simply select the second app you want to open. Now both apps will run side by side on your screen. Step 4. Adjust the screen size. You can drag the divider in the middle to adjust how much space each app takes on the screen. Step 5. Exit split screen. To exit split screen mode, just drag the divider bar all the way to the top or bottom of the screen. This will return your phone to normal full screen mode. And that's how you use split screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26 to run two apps at the same time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thumbs up.